Now when he says crossing 2 is clear, we don't do the normal whistle blast for that. We just do whatever we want. So that'll be your chance to do a shave and a haircut if you want.
Alright.
Alright?
I'm going to give him a good horn show for Bruce.
Just wait till he calls. We gotta wait.
Alright.
Alright, let me let him know we're ready to go. 30 to ground, ready for signals, over.
Roger that, number 30, you are cleared forward to the table when you're ready, over.
It's the pressure now. Getting the pressure up now. You want to blow it out?
Let's try.
Alright, I'll let you know. As soon as I say go, crank it up.
Get ready. Get ready.
Alright, crank it up.
Crossing 2 is clear.
Go for it. Blow the whistle. One good blast. There we go.
Good job.
Thank you.
Clean that
Let's see how the
whistle.
fire looks.
I've experienced enough horns where I
Watch
live.
yourself.
Yeah, what you need.
I've experienced enough horns where I live.
It's like a...
The earth cracked. Lava's coming up.
So what we did there is, you know, he's talking about the blower. We use that to create a draft. Since the fire is burning uneven, he threw open the blower, which sucked air through. When the locomotive is running, it also sucks air through. So we were blasting air through it to make it burn as hot as it could, which evened out the fire.
Oh.
We're getting hot.
Yeah, now we're going to get hot. See the pressure now? We're up above 150, so we gained 20 pounds easy just doing that.
My channel is low, right? So if you want to look at this video, I'll have it posted.
Okay.
It has a cat picture on it.
Well, you have to give me the name of your YouTube channel, or where are you going to post it? Facebook, YouTube, or...
I'll show you it after this.
Plus got another cab rider.
Look like it. He looks familiar on there. He's only got one strap on there. He's going for that sexy engineer.
The new locomotive talent is coming out.
He's got a GoPro and a handheld.
Smokestack saved this place from demolition. That's when the preservation folks downtown took notice. Call the structure here from the building permit to request. Call it the city officials asking what's going on there.
Now the hard part, climbing up to the steps.
Fortunately, the city
Looks like y'all got another cab rider.
Oh, this is fun.
Best job in the world.
How many cab riders do you get for a steam engine?
Usually only average one a day, honestly.
Nobody
Once
likes
a year?
being nobody likes being in a steam engine.
Probably about 2 or 3 a week, maybe.
Yeah, once they hear how hot
You're
it
cleared
is.
forward to the load track.
They're like,
All right, 2 quick blasts. Forward is where we want to go.
Halfway. 6 inches, please. Stop. Perfect.
One step. Good job. Set and center.
All right. Well, that was fun.
You had a good time?
All right.